Is the Renault Symbioz just another forgettable entry in the overcrowded SUV market, or does this fuel-sipping family hauler actually deserve your attention? Today, we're finding out if this oddly named newcomer has what it takes to compete against established rivals like the Nissan Qashqai and Kia Sportage. The name Symbioz comes from symbiosis, meaning a harmonious relationship, and that's exactly what Renault is aiming for here. A balanced blend of practicality, efficiency, and value. But does it deliver? First impressions are solid, if not revolutionary. The Symbioz borrows heavily from the smaller Captor's design language, particularly up front where it's nearly identical. Move toward the rear, and you'll notice the longer overhang that creates a more substantial cargo area. Higher trim models like the Esprit Alpine versions get sportier touches with distinctive 19-inch wheels and silver accents on the front bumper. Under the hood, every Symbioz comes with just one powertrain option, a 1.6-liter hybrid setup producing 143 horsepower. Let's be honest, this isn't going to set anyone's hair on fire with a 0 to 62 time of 10.6 seconds, but straight-line speed isn't really the point here. What is impressive is the fuel economy. Renault claims 60.1 miles per gallon, and real-world testing suggests owners can expect around 56 mpg in mixed driving. That's significantly better than many rivals and translates to serious savings at the pump. Step inside and you're greeted by a clean, modern interior dominated by a 10.4-inch portrait touchscreen and a 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster. The Google-powered infotainment system is genuinely excellent, with crisp graphics and intuitive controls. It's easily one of the best systems in this class, putting many premium brands to shame. One standout feature on top trim models is the Solarbay panoramic roof, which uses electrochromic glass that darkens at the touch of a button. It's a genuinely premium touch you wouldn't expect at this price point. Practicality is where the Symbioz truly shines. The sliding rear bench lets you choose between generous passenger space or increased cargo capacity. With seats in their rearmost position, you get 492 liters of boot space, comparable to the Qashqai's 504 liters. Slide them forward, and that expands to an impressive 624 liters, though at the expense of rear legroom. On the road, the Symbioz delivers a comfortable, if somewhat uninspiring driving experience. The steering is light and precise, making city driving effortless, though you won't be taking the long way home just for fun. The suspension strikes a decent balance between comfort and control, though models with the 19-inch wheels can feel a bit firm over urban imperfections. The adjustable boot floor adds versatility and thoughtful touches like the ability to position the floor vertically to divide the cargo area show Renault has really thought about how people use these vehicles day to day. Safety equipment is comprehensive, though the 4-star Euro NCAP rating falls slightly short of the 5 stars many competitors boast. Still, you get automatic emergency braking, lane-keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control as standard. Value is another strong point. Starting at £29,295, the Symbioz undercuts equivalent versions of many competitors while offering more standard features. The mid-range Techno Esprit Alpine trim at £31,295 hits the sweet spot, adding heated seats, a powered tailgate, and blind spot monitoring. So what's the verdict? The Renault Symbioz won't set your pulse racing, but it excels where it matters for family buyers: efficiency, practicality, and value. It offers a sensible, well-thought-out package that deserves consideration, especially if you prioritize low running costs and versatile space. In this crowded segment, the Symbioz carves out its niche not by reinventing the wheel, but by focusing on the fundamentals and executing them well. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.